Hello မင်္ဂလာပါရှင်ဒီနေ့တော့ရှေ့တစ်စုံပြီးတော့နောက်တစ်စုံစကြပါမယ်ရှင်နောက်တစ်စုံကိုတော့တမတ်တန်အနေစပြီးတော့ကြည့်ကြရပါရှင် For session A, one more question. Answer all question. Write your answer in the speak provided. In session A, put a cross in one box to indicate your answer. If you change your mind, put a line through the box and then put a cross in another box. So what is the name or this shape? So how many sides are there? So think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Uh, 6 sides will we call hexagon or octagon or quadrilateral or pentagon. So hexagon, it has 6 sides, right? That's why we have to choose the first option. You have to cross up. Okay, what about octagon? Octagon, it have 8 sides. Pentagon, it have 5 sides. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral mean any shape that have 4 sides we call quadrilateral. For example, is a square, rectangle, and parallelogram, trapezium. These are a kind of quadrilateral shape. Okay, for number two. Which word best describe this set or number? 7, 13, 25, 39, 43. Odd number, even number, square, prime. Look at odd. So the number that are n in 7, 3, 5, 9, 3. So odd number. Actually, this one is odd number. Let's think about it. Even number. Even number means you can evenly divide it by 2. No remainder. So we call even. For odd number, when we divide by 2, it have any remainder, we call odd number. So square. Square means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Only 25 is a square number. Prime number, 43, 730 a prime number. But are the number we call is a kind of odd number, so we have to choose odd. For number 3, what is the range of these ways? So range. We have to look back how to find out the range. Highest minus, this is the easier way. Highest minus lowest. Sorry, I will do against you. I find out the higher number. 12. Lowest number is 2. So 10 kg. 10 kg is the third option. Choose. For number 4, what fraction of these shapes are a triangle? What fraction of these shapes are triangles? So how many shapes are there? Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. So how many are triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer will be 5 and 12. For number 5, what is the value of the 8 in this number? Value of the 8. Value of 8 is in which digit? 100 digit. 100, so answer will be 800. What got 12 minus 6 divided by 3. Oh, we need to know about the order operation. BODMAS. B means bracket, order means power, and then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So, are the orders of operation always solve left to right? This comes from left to right, okay? So 12 minus 6 divided by 3. There is no bracket. But what about order, new power? No power, okay. What about division? Yes, it have division, so we have to solve division first. 6 divided by 3, so 2. And then no multiplication, no addition, subtraction, so answer will be 10. We have to apply that rule, BODMES. For 7, we'll go 30% or 120. So for like the kind of percentage problem, we can think of percentage depend on 100, right? So that's why divide by 100. Okay, like that. 12 times 3, 36. What is 68,481 round to the nearest thousand? 68481 nearest thousand. So we have to use the two arrows nearest thousand. So if you want to round to the nearest thousand, so you have to look behind that place value. So look at the thousand. So we have to look at the hundred places. Hundred places. So number is four. Four is less than five. So no need to change. No need to change for 1,000 places. But the rest number will be. So we have to write it down 6 and 8. But the rest number will replace 0. So 68,000. Where is 68,000? Second option. Near 1,000. Okay, here is a sorting table. This is sorting table. Okay, you can see odd, even, multiple or three, non-multiple or three. C, D, like that way. Which cell will 16 be in? 16 is the even number. Okay, even number. But this is not a multiple or three, so we have to choose D. Even and not a multiple or three, so you can choose D. For what is the area of this triangle? To find out the area of triangle, so we have to know that formula. Half into base into height. Half into base 8 and height is 3. So we have to use this one 12 centimeter square. 12 centimeter square. For number 1, the root for this number sequence is add 2 to the number, then double. Okay, but we need to find out the first number, so use the inverse operation, inverse operation operation. Double mean multiplication. Okay, what about this one? 108. 108, we add two to the number, then double it. Okay, add 2, so we have to do subtract 2. Inverse operation. This one is double mean multiplication, so inverse operation will be divided by 2. So divide by 2. 108 divided by 2 first, so 54. And then add 2 to inverse operation in minus 2, so 54 minus 2 to 52. 54 minus 2 equal to 52. Okay, this one also divide by 2. 26 minus 2, 24. And then this one also 24 divided by 2, 12. 12 minus 2 equal to 10. This one also 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Answer will be 3. You have space to work out a sketch. For number 3. In a shop, a pen costs $1.39 and a pencil costs $0.45. How much would it cost to buy one pen and two pencils? Two pencils, so one pencil costs $0.45. So what about two pencils? So it will cost more, so we need to multiply by 2, $0.9. And 2 pencil equals $0.9 and 1 pen is 1.39. You have to add. When we add the decimal number, so we have to align the decimal point. So 2.29, second option. Okay, the next one, number 30. Which of these numbers is a multiple of 3 and 8? So we have to think about multiple of 3 and multiple of 8. So 3 times 2, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24. 8 times 24, and then 24. No, there's actually this one is the multiple of 24. But look at the number. 11, 12, 32, and 48. At 48, we can think of 48 is 24 times 2, right? That's why when we continue finding out the multiple, you can see through 48 for number 4. Okay, this one is the coordinate form. Coordinate form, so T. T. When we read the coordinate, so you have to use x coordinate, x comma 1. Like the order pair. So look at A exit. This one is A exit. The particular line we call Y exit. So A exit at 3 and Y exit at 2. So answer will be 3 comma 2. The bird describe. Which one of the bird describe 3 comma 2? Okay, let me stop right there. If not, my video will take longer. Thank you. See you next video. See you next video. Bye bye.